guys, Angie Bell, My Fairy Treasures. Just a second, let me move this camera back a little bit. Okay. All right, you guys, I am making, let me put my readers on so I can read some information. I'm coming at you guys today with the 100-day project. And I'm doing it with the Yarny Fiber, I'm doing it with V and Jeannie. And we're the Yarny Fiber Sisters. So the Yarny Fiber Sisters is doing this project. And we decided to do, since they crochet, they're doing granny squares, 100 granny squares. And I knit, so I'm doing knitted granny squares. There's no such thing as knitted granny squares. I made that up. But, oh well, I like the way it sounds, knitted granny squares. Now, I'm not going to be able to do 100 knitted granny squares. I could, but it takes a lot. It takes a little bit, quite a bit longer to complete a square. And I have other projects that I want to work on every day also. So I'm going to take 2 days to do a square. So by the time I'm done, I'll have somewhere around 50 squares instead of. So you can do that. You can just work on whatever project you want to do, whatever you want to create. You can work on it for 100 days. You don't have to have it completed every day, as long as you work on it every day for 100 days. Or if you want, you can, like they're doing, they're going to crochet a granny square every day, because in crochet they can do one in like 20 minutes. For me, it'll take like an hour and 15 minutes to do it. Knitting slower. So what I'm going to do, like I said, is I'm going to do a knitted granny square. Yes, I made that up. And then after, with my knitted granny squares, I want to make a long cardigan. So let me just show you. I've already completed, because, oh, and it started today, which is February 22nd. Also, if you want further information about this, you can go to www.the100dayproject.org. And I believe it's, you guys, just 1 second. My light, my ring light is flickering, so just 1 second. All right, sorry about that, guys. So anyway, you can go to www.the100dayproject.org, and I'll have a link below. And just to read up on everything, but it basically does just say that you need to choose something creative for 100 days. So I've done this before. Last year I did 100 days of collage, and I absolutely loved it. And you learn so much when you do something for 100 days. The things that you learn that come out of it are incredible. And it makes you so much better at whatever you want to get better at. So 100 days of doing something, I think, is just awesome. So you have to do it every day. You don't have to complete it every day. Just work on it every day for 100 days, whatever your creative outlet is, whatever you want to create. Maybe you draw, maybe you paint, maybe you do collage, junk journals, art journals, maybe you knit, crochet, whatever it is. And then you need to post every day to some social media like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. You could do the shorts on YouTube. So that's it. So that's basically it. Oh, also, I do believe you sign up for it because you just give them your email address. So I went to the www.the100dayproject.org, and I did sign up by just give them my email address. So I think that's how you sign up. Also, there is a paid for section of this if you want. They'll give you like prompts and stuff that you can do every day for 100 days, but you don't have to do it that way. So choose which way you want to do it. So I just want to show you guys, share the project I'm going to be working on. I'm going to be doing the knitted granny squares. And I have one complete. Now, I'm not going to count the one I have completed because I wanted to do these granny squares, and I had done one and put it aside. So, and I hadn't picked it back up. But I'm so excited. This gave me the opportunity to pick up these granny squares back again. Knitted granny squares. So, just a second. So I made one, and I'll show you the one that I made, and I'll show you the one that I'm working on. Where is, okay, just a second. Where is the one that I completed? All right, the one I completed should be in here. Just a second. Oh, here it is. Okay. And then I'll show you all the yarns I'm going to use. So this is the one granny square I had done earlier, and this is how the rest of them are going to look. I'm doing the waffle stitch Make sure I'm showing you the right side. Yeah, I'm doing the waffle stitch. Isn't that fabulous? And these are 5x5. And I love this. I'm doing like all fall, real rich jewel tone or fall colors. I love a olive green with like a deep purple. Isn't that pretty? I think it's pretty. So I'll be doing, they'll all be the waffle stitch and they'll all be 5x5. Here's the other one I'm working on right now. I started this one just today. Since today is the 22nd of February and this is the day that it starts. So here we go. So here is my knitted granny square. And this one, isn't this pretty? I'm using Big Twist. I have a little ball of this purple, so I'm just using this right now, but this is also Big Twist. So I'm using this Big Twist here, which is called Purple. I think this one's called Grape. And they're both Big Twist. And they're hooked right now to my thing. I'm holding them double. So that's how I'm getting the two colors to mix together. I'm holding it double. See? So look how pretty that is, the two strands. So that's how I'm getting these two colors together. So a lighter purple and a deeper purple. And then I'm using Knitter's Pride needles and size US 15. No, US 11. Let me make sure. Yeah, US 11. And I'm holding a yarn double, which makes like a chunky 5. So, and then what I'm going to make out of this is, let me show you what I'm going to end up making. I'm excited. I'm going to make this granny square cardigan, but it's going to be a knitted granny square cardigan. So that's what I want to make. That's my inspiration. Now, I'm not making, granny squares have different designs and stuff in them that I'm not going to be able to do, but I'm going to do it with knitting. And you see how in between they sewed everything together with black? Everything's black, bordered with black. That's how I want to do it. So when I sew all my squares together, I'm going to sew it together with black yarn. And hopefully that'll give me that effect all the way around. I'm hoping. What else? Oh, I want to show you the yarn. So the yarn I'm going to use, okay, this is that Big Twist. This is that purple that I have on the ball. I just had a little bit of it left, so I wanted to use that up. But so the Big Twist purple, deep purple, and then this little bit lighter purple. Oh, they're just so yummy. And then this olive color here. I think it's called olive green. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm not a big green person, but if I'm going to use green, I love like sage or olive. And then I love this teal color. Oh, this is also, I love, this is also Big Twist. This is Big Twist teal. I think that's what they call it. Yep, teal. So I'll be using that in there. And I'll be holding these double. Like I might hold the purple with the teal. I may hold the, I'll be holding these double. And then this one is, I think this is, yeah, this is, I love this yarn. And this color is aubergine. Oh, I love it. Aren't these colors just gorgeous? They're just so rich. And then I love this tobacco color. Now this is a Soft Secret Tobacco by Yarn Bee. Isn't that pretty? I'd like to do a whole boho cardigan and a Rwanda out of this. And I will. Isn't it beautiful? So those are all of the yarns that I'm going to use for this project. I am super excited. Like I said, I was planning on wanting to do this, but I had done one square and I hadn't picked it all back up yet. So this gave me the opportunity to say, okay, let's focus on this and let's do it for 100 days. Now, I'm probably going to have way more squares than I need. So I'll make a purse to match. I'll make something else too, which would be really cool. A purse to match would be really cool. That's what I want to do. So I don't know why with knitting we don't do more things with squares, like the crocheters do. I don't understand why we don't, because they make a lot of stuff out of these squares. They make a sweater out of squares. It's awesome. I love it. And you can also, when you're doing these squares, you can take them with you so much easier, because you can, you're working on one little square, so it's so portable. So that is it. let me know below. Are you going to join the 100 days? The 100 day project? Are you going to join? Are you going to join with the Yarny Fiber Sisters and do either the knitted granny square or just the regular crochet granny squares? Or what are you going to do for 100 days? Are you going to participate? So that is it for this one, you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd love for you to do so. If you can give this video a thumbs up. Any questions below, put them in the any questions or comments, put them below. Also, really quickly, let me announce this. I go live every Wednesday. Every Wednesday evening, 5:00 p.m. Pacific. It's called Angie's Knit and Crochet Night. I go live on Friday. That's called Angie's Yarn Party. It's 11:00 a.m. Pacific. I also go live with the Yarny Fiber Sisters every Saturday, 4:00 p.m. Pacific. And I go live on Sunday. That's called Angie's Art Party, and that's every Sunday, 2:00 p.m. Pacific. I cannot believe I go live this much. I really can't. I used to never even go live. And now I go live like 4 days a week. It's crazy. Okay, you guys, that is it. That is it for this one. So, you guys, join hashtag the 100 day project. Oh, and really quickly, sorry, I already ended everything. When you post this, make sure you post it hashtag the 100 day project. Make sure you put that on when you post it in any of the social medias, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever you're going to do. Okay? All right. Oh, and you can post in the Yarny Fiber Sister group, which will be linked below. You can post in my group, which is called Our Magical Little Place. It's listed below. You can post in Jeannie's Facebook page or V's Facebook page. So I will have both of their Facebooks linked below. And it's Yarny Fiber. It's Butterfly Dreams Jeannie, and then what is V's channel? Crochet and Chefs. It's below anyway. V's is below also. Just her YouTube channel. Jeannie's YouTube channel is below, and then I'll have their Facebook groups, their individual Facebook pages below. And then, like I said, you can do Yarny Fiber Sisters. You can post it to, and you can post it also to my Facebook group, which is Our Magical Little Place. Okay, make sure you put the hashtag the 100 day project. All right, that's it, you guys. Talk to you guys later. Bye.